So Jai Shri Ram, how are you guys? So welcome back to again our channel Origin India. So guys, thank you so much for loving my last video permutation and combination for introduction. Today we take one or two examples and some theory. So I'm sorry. In last video, what is the permutation and what is the combination? Permutation means arrangement and combination means selection. And you know very well, one question in IIT means compulsory, and permutation combination always help in binomial theorem and probability. Okay, so it is a very important chapter for probability and binomial theorem. And one most important thing, probability always come in advance, so formula is very important, NCR and NPR. So guys, look at board and be carefully introduction of PNC and permutation and combination. So we look fundamental theorem of calculation, fundamental theorem of multiplication. So what is the fundamental theorem of calculation? Fundamental theorem of calculation, many people says multiplication. Okay, fundamental theorem of calculation or fundamental theorem of multiplication. You know very well in last lecture m into n. What is the m? You know very well, m is the first work. M is the first work. And n is the second work. Sir, if third work is continue, so third work will say yes, m into n into l. So what is L? What is L? L is third work. L is a third work. But all type of works depend. I am changing my word work. All type of events occurs when until first work not completed. Until first work is not completed. Sir, I can't understand this. How to please sir explain more? Take examples. Okay. I am taking one example. A person wants to go from A to B and return from B to A. Okay, it is question. A person wants to go from A to B and return from B to A. If 5 ways available. Okay. So question is, a person wants to go from A to B and return from B to A. 5 ways available. So first A to B. There are 5 ways available. From A to B. First person wants to go A to B and second come back. And you know very well, first work reach B. Okay sir, first came from A and reached to B. Second work return. So second work always depend on first work. Until first work not completed. So how can you start second work? I think you clear this line. I think you clear. I think your doubt is clear. जब हम A से B पे जाएंगे ही नहीं तो हम वहाँ से रिटर्न कैसे आएंगे? क्लियर है कि नहीं क्लियर है? This is a universal truth. If you born, so you will die one day. But same thing is true in combination. अगर आप A से B पहुँचोगे ही नहीं तो B से A आओगे कैसे? So first work always important. Important. I am again repeat. First work always important. Clear guys? Yes sir. So a person wants to go from A to B, it will return from B to A. The 5 ways available. So how many ways can we do this? So first way, 5 ways means 5 ways, 5 types, 5 ways. But he choose only one way at a once time. Because वो अजय देवगन नहीं है कि वो दोनों बाइक पे पैर रखे जा रहा है. He is not अजय देवगन. Clear है ना? 1 feet in one bike and second bike. अगर बीच में खंबा आ गया तो मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूं, मेरे कहने का मतलब सिर्फ इतना है कि फर्स्ट कंप्लीट वन वर्क. व्हेन यू गो फ्रॉम ए टू बी यू चूज वन वे, मे बी फर्स्ट वे, मे बी सेकेंड वे, मे बी थर्ड वे, मे बी फोर्थ, मे बी 5 वे. Person choose A to B one way. Okay, it means person choose one option. Person choose one option. Oh sir, I understand. It means person choose one option A to B. It means he have 5 ways. उसके पास 5 रास्ते होंगे, उसके पास 5 तरीके होंगे, उसके पास 5 तरीके होंगे A से B जाने के लिए. How many ways from A to B? 5 ways. Clear or not? And now return back from B to A. Return back from B to A because first work is complete. Now person on B. B पे पहुंच गया वो आदमी, B पे पहुंच गया. अब जैसे ही वो B पे पहुंचा, अब उसे चुल्ल मचेगी वापस आने की. क्यों? क्योंकि क्वेश्चन यही है कि वो A से B जाएगा और B से A आएगा. बिकॉज दिस इज क्वेश्चन first A to B, then B to A. Now when you reach 5 ways, so how many ways can be returned? 5 ways. So answer is 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Clear or not? Clear or not? So why I am saying first work, second work and third work? Third work. Clear? Yeah. It's the basic theory of permutation and combination. So now you see, so how many ways can, very important. So first way complete, then after start second way. One more question. You want to go from A to B and B to C. Okay, you have A to B 2 ways and B to C 3 ways. A to B 2 ways and B to C 3 ways. So a person, how many ways can we go from A to C? Via B. Via B. Sir, what is the mean of via? What is the mean of via? Via means one stop. One stop, like a train from Bangalore to Delhi. Bangalore to Delhi via Jhansi. Via Jhansi. It means train came from first Bangalore to Jhansi, then Jhansi to Delhi. So it means via Jhansi. Via Jhansi. So a person A to C came and via B. So first person came A to B. So how many ways can we go? 2 ways. And B to C 3 ways. Do you understand or not? Yes sir, I understand. But person returned from C to A. But person returned from C to A via B again. So first C returned to B. How many ways? 3. And B to A. How many ways? 2 ways. So answer will be 36. I hope you understand this. You understand this? Clear or not? Clear or not? So it is a very, very, very simple calculation in combination and permutation. But literally, a student thinks, oh, very tough question and sir, I can't solve this type of questions. No tension. चिंता नहीं लेने का, भाई जिंदा इधर अभी. Clear है कि नहीं? Okay. So how to solve this type of question? And one question add one most important point. What is point? Point is when you go from A to B. When you go from A to B, okay, I am going A to B. How many ways? 5 ways. And return back B to A. And return back B to A. Sir, return back B to A. Okay, sir, 5 ways. But what? Question not completed. Question is, you don't use same route. You don't use same route. It means तुम सेम रास्ता यूज नहीं कर सकते. इसका मतलब है कि तुम अगर पैदल गए थे, if you go by walk, so you don't come back again walk. और वैसे भी तुम A से B अगर 10 किलोमीटर है और तुम वॉक पे गए तो वापस तो तुम आओगे भी नहीं, वैसे भी थक जाओगे, मर जाओगे. Clear or not? So first choose, if you A to B go by walk, so you cannot come back by walk. It means one route is closed when back to B to A. Clear or not? So you have how many ways remaining? 4 ways remaining. It means 20 answer. Clear or not? Okay sir, we understand what is the importance of first work and second work. Sir, takes one more example and very interesting question. Okay, we have question is 5 colors. 5 colors. Okay, we make a flag. We make a flag. Okay. Flag have 5 strips. Flag have 5 strips. 5 strips and not consecutive colors. Not consecutive. Consecutive is not same color. Not use same color. Consecutive second point. Not use same color. Same color in any strip. In any strip. Okay. 5 colors we make a flag. 5 strips and not use same color in any strip. Okay. How many strips? 5 strips. How many strips? 5 strips. You understand what is the meaning of strips? Strips means like a tiranga. Tiranga have 3 strips, 3 different colors. Okay. So we have 5 strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the question is, you have 5 colors. You have 5 colors. I am changing my question. I am taking 10 color. I am taking 10 color. Okay. So first choose one color. First choose one color. Okay, sir, choose first color. So how many ways when you choose first color? Tell me. How many ways when you choose first color? How many ways? Yes, Mr. Dhania. How many ways? 10 ways. When you choose first color, you have 10 ways. Yes or no? Yes or no? When you choose any strip, doesn't matter. ये मैटर नहीं है कि आप कौन सी पहली स्ट्रिप के लिए ही कलर चुनोगे. आप कोई भी स्ट्रिप पोत सकते हो. यू कैन पेंट एनी स्ट्रिप. व्हेन यू पेंट एनी स्ट्रिप, यू हैव 10 ways. You have 10 paints, 10 type of paints. You have 10 colors. Clear or not? Yes. So you have 10 colors. When you strip second, now remaining 4 strips, and you know very well, first work complete. Now second work. Now second work. Second work is second strip. So who is the second? Anyone. Doesn't matter. Anyone. So now, okay, sir, we can use 10 colors? No. What is same color in any strip? Not use same color. You cannot use same color. It means if you color first strip red, so you don't any strip now red. Okay. So now you have how many colors remaining? 9. Nice, correct answer. 9. Oh sir, I understand. So it means when you color third strip, it means 8 colors. It means 7 colors. It means 6 colors. So 10, 9, 90 into 56 into 6. It means 540 into 5, 6 ways we can color the flag. Clear or not? Clear or not? Yes sir, clear. Just clear. बिल्कुल 100% sir, it is clear. Okay, one more question. I am taking one more question. What is question? Question is, you have 5 flags. Now you have 5 flags. We have 5 flags. Okay sir, we have 5 flags. And make a signal. And make a signal. And make a signal. One signal. Make a signal. Okay, question is, you have 5 colors and make a signal. Signal have at least 2 flags. You use minimum 2 flags. It means when you make the signal, so you use 5 flags. Different color. Different color. Different color. Different color. Oh, different color. You have 5 flags, different color. And using at least 2 flag. Using at least 2 flag for a signal. Using at least 2 flag. 2 flag for signal. For signal. Okay. Using at least 2 flag for signal. Question is, you have 5 flags of different colors. And when you make a signal using at least 2 flag color. Okay. So how many ways? How many ways? How many ways? How many ways? Okay, can be done. How many ways can we make different signals? Okay. So tell me, how many ways? At least. What is the meaning of at least? So first word is at least. What is the meaning of at least? At least means in Hindi, kam se kam. कम से कम 2 फ्लैग तो होने ही चाहिए, एट लीस्ट 2 फ्लैग इन अ सिग्नल. इट मीन्स यू कैन नॉट यूज 1 फ्लैग. करेक्ट? यस. नाउ यू कैन यूज 3 सिग्नल, 3 फ्लैग. यस. वी कैन यूज सर 4 सिग्नल. यस. वी कैन यूज 5 flags. Yeah, of course. Clear or not? Yes sir. So when you use 2 flag, you can use 3 flags, you can use 4 flags, and you can use 5 flags. Clear? First picture clear. First picture clear. It means arrangement fix, permutation fix. Now combination. Now combination. So sir, what is combination? What is combination? Okay, when you choose 2 flag, when you choose 2 flag, so when you choose 2 flag, 5 different color, it means when we choose 2 flags, so first choose 1 flag. So when you choose 1 flag, you have 5 choice. Clear or not? You have 5 choice, but you choose second flag, you have 4 choice. Clear or not? Yes sir. Clear, 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 clear. यस सर. दबा दो सब्सक्राइब की बटन, इसी बात पे दबा दो सब्सक्राइब की बटन. नाउ थर्ड, अब हमें 3 लेने हैं, 3 फ्लैग लेने हैं. ओके, अब हमें नहीं, या तो हम 3 फ्लैग का एक सिग्नल बना सकते हैं, या तो हम 4 फ्लैग का एक सिग्नल बना सकते हैं, या तो हम 5 फ्लैग का एक सिग्नल बना सकते हैं. इट मीन्स वी कैन यूज 2 फ्लैग्स और 3 फ्लैग्स और 4 फ्लैग्स और 5 flags for a signal. We don't use all of these at once because you have only 5 flags. So now when you choose 3 flags, it means when you choose 3 flags, so first flag, second flag and third flag. Oh sir, clear, clear, clear. It means when you use 4 flag, so 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes. So when we use 5 to 5 color, okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It means 2 type flag, 3 type flag, 4 type flag, 5 type flag. जब ये सारे फ्लैग बन के कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे, कोई एक फ्लैग उठा करके आप सिग्नल लगा दोगे कि मैंने देखो बना दिया. When you use all type of conditions, so then you take a flag and I make complete this complete. So this question is very, very, very interesting question when you make a signal. So it is 20, it is 23, 60. Okay, it means 120 and plus 120 more, 120, 240, 320. So what is the answer? 320. It is your answer, 320. So what is this? How is the question? How is the question? Sir, very interesting question. Really, ये चैप्टर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है और भाई साहब जान है ये कुछ चैप्टर्स की. Clear or not? Okay. So thank you so much guys for loving my last video, and I hope so you love this video also. So guys, please share to with your friends, with family who's in 11th class and 12th class, 2025 JEE, 2026 JEE, जो आगे तैयारी करना चाहते हैं. So thank you so much guys and do lovely comments. I am waiting for your comments. Thank you so much guys. जय हिंद, जय श्री राम.